This is Mr. Lalit Chintamani, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, R.S. Sapat College of Engineering, Management Studies and Research. Student, from today I am going to start online video lectures on turbo machine subject. The attendance to these lectures is compulsory. After end of each lecture, I am going to float a quiz on that respective covered topic. The link for quiz will remain active for 1 hour after the end of lecture. Attempting quiz will be considered as a attendance to the respective lecture. And one more request to you, that do not give only quiz. Watch the video from start to end. These lectures are of only 20 to 30 minutes, so it will not take your time much more, and this will definitely benefit you to prepare this subject wisely. So now let's start with lecture number 1. Now in this lecture 1 we are going to see the course objectives. Now why this subject is included in this semester, so that you will observe after getting this course objectives. Then we are going to see course outcomes. After that we will see the syllabus and the books to be referred for to prepare this subject. And if time permits, also we would try to complete the some points from unit number 1. Now why this subject is included in your syllabus for this semester? So now the answer to this question you will find by observing course objectives and course outcomes. Objectives. The first course objective is to get knowledge of basic principles, governing equations and applications of turbo machines. On what principle that particular turbo machine works, what are the governing equations behind that turbo machines, and where that turbo machine is applied. So that we are going to see. Next objective is to provide the student with opportunities to apply basic thermofluid dynamics flow equations to turbo machines. Now in second year we have dealt with fluid mechanics and basic thermodynamics subjects. In that we have gone through different flow equations. So how that different flow equations are applicable to this turbo machine subject, so that is our second course objectives. Next course objective is that we are going to see the construction and working principle of turbo machine. So now what are the different elements that particular turbo machine consists? So that is our third objective. Next objective is we are going to see the evaluation of the performance characteristics of turbo machines. So having understood the working principle of turbo machine, construction of turbo machine, so how performance characteristics are plotted for turbo machine. So now let's see the course outcomes. The course outcomes means what you are going to gain after studying this turbo machine subject. So once we satisfy all the above objectives, then you will able to, that is you will learn how to apply thermodynamics and kinematic principles to turbo machines. Also you can able to analyze the performance of turbo machines. You will get ability to select turbo machine for given applications. So now in number of applications like power plant, you will find the application of turbo machines. So how one can select a turbo machine for that given application, so that is your course outcome after studying this turbo machine subject. Now next is, once we install that particular turbo machine for that given application, so how I can predict the performance of that turbo machines. So for that we are going to see the model analysis. So how that model analysis is carried out. So these are our different outcomes that you will observe after studying this turbo machine subject. Now based on this course objectives and course outcomes, the syllabus of turbo machine subject is designed. Now let us see the turbo machine syllabus. Now as usual, we have total 6 units to learn in this subject. The marking scheme for this subject is, so we have total 125 marks allotted for this subject. So out of 120 marks, 30 marks for in-sem exam and 70 marks they are for end-sem exam, and 25 marks they are allotted for oral exam. So this oral exam you are going to face after completing this subject. Here we are going to see the titles of unit only. Now when we see these units separately, so at that time we will see the detailed syllabus of these units. So right now you only remember the titles. Now unit number 1 title is Introduction to Turbo Machines. So we are going to see the introduction of turbo machine in this unit number 1. Unit number 2 title is Impulse Water Turbine. Unit number 3 title is Reaction Water Turbines. So remember, unit number 1, 2, 3 they are devoted for water turbines only. So we are going to see construction, working of water turbines in unit number 1, 2 and 3. Unit number 4 is related to steam turbines. So your working medium is different. So component is same, that is turbine. Next, unit number 5 is centrifugal pump, and unit number 6 is centrifugal and axial compressors. This subject you can refer the books as mentioned in this slide. So you can refer textbook or reference book. Now textbook, first one is Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines by Dr. R.K. Bansal. Second one is Hydraulics, Fluid Mechanics and Machinery by Modi and Seth. And third one is Turbine Compressor Fans by S.M. Yaya. To prepare first 3 units, you can refer Dr. R.K. Bansal or Modi and Seth. And to prepare unit number 4, 5 and 6, you can refer this S.M. Yaya book. So all these 3 books, they are available in ample quantity in our college library. And if you want to study this subject detail, so you can